Hey guys, Danny here. I hope you're doing well. Today we are looking at a pair of earbuds. These were sent to me for review. As always, if you'd like to pick them up, you can find a link down below. When I got asked to review this product, like you, I was kind of thinking another pair of earbuds. There's so many different brands, it's hard to keep up these days, but these actually surprised me, so I do recommend sticking around for the rest of this review and I'll share my thoughts with you. Let's take a look at the unboxing experience this product offers. For its price range, overall I thought it was about average. It didn't blow me away and it wasn't bad, but if you are buying this for a gift for someone, I think they'll be pretty happy on first impressions. There isn't too much packaging, which sometimes can be annoying if they go a bit over the top. And my initial impressions on the design of the product are pretty good. I like its low-key, stealthy design. You'll see it's going for a more AirPod type design case, which is something I think is okay. I do prefer the more flatter designs personally, but it is very compact, so if you're a fan of small cases, then you will definitely like this one. It does come with a USB-C charging cable, which is always nice to see, as USB-C is so common now. And of course we do get some extra ear tips, so you should find a fit that suits you, and there's also a user manual in there also. Let me know down below what type of color design you usually go for when buying your tech. I generally am quite boring and go for very stealthy, dark, matte finish type products. I'm not a fan of shiny stuff normally or anything that marks easily. So let me know down below if you're more boring or you go for maybe slightly crazier, brighter designs. Before we move on, in case I forget, I want to mention how easily the case marked on this product. You'll see two scratches here that I point out. These occurred when I went to plugging the charging cable and the metal part of the cable slightly rubbed across the case and scratched it very easily, which was a bit disappointing to see because other than that I did quite like the design of this product. The earbuds continue this kind of minimalist matte black design, which if you are a fan of, then you're gonna love these because they don't really have anything breaking up this color. The only markings they have is the logo and the left and right indicator, but the logo is pretty cool. It reminds me of the Superman logo, so yeah, they are quite interesting to look at, but at the same time they're stealthy. They kind of blend in and don't stand out too much. They're pretty comfortable to wear, which I'll talk about coming up, and they aren't too big, so they don't stick out of your ears too much, making you look a little bit weird. So overall I think the design of the earbuds is pretty good. More importantly though, how does this product sound? How does it function? And is it comfortable to wear? Well, that's what we're going to talk about now. So my experience with this product was a little bit mixed, and I'll explain why. So on one hand, I thought it offered very good audio. It goes very loud. It has very good bass. I was very impressed with the noise cancellation and the transparency mode. They're probably the best two modes I've seen in a product at this price range. I don't think anything I've used comes close. I've used some more expensive products that have very good active noise cancellation. This is using a hybrid system, and I used it in a few different scenarios. One where I had a dryer going in this room you can see me sitting in, and turning it on and into transparency mode would completely get rid of the sound of the dryer, which is about 2 meters away from me, or it would allow the noise through. On normal mode it would block out some of the sound, but it worked surprisingly well, and these noise cancellation techniques are getting a lot better even in these budget earbuds, so they're becoming a more viable option even in the cheaper pairs. I'm putting these earbuds through their paces. I'm about halfway through my run. So far so good, besides the volume problems I was talking about earlier with the distortion. I found that I didn't have to have them that loud, so I haven't experienced that problem while running. I also happened to get a call while I was running, and it worked pretty well. I didn't have any connection problems. The person on the other end said I was a bit difficult to hear, but you kind of expect that with the wind noise and the constant bobbing up and down. So far they perform pretty good. So if you were listening closely there, you would have heard me mention a sound issue, and the issue was when using these earbuds on max volume, about 60 to 70% of the time I would hear hissing, a little bit of breakup, just generally some distortion in the music that was definitely noticeable on max volumes. When I dipped the volume below about 80 to 75%, then I didn't really notice the problem, so it only seemed to happen on max volume. But there was also some occasions between tracks where when the music wasn't playing, I could hear some random noises and a little bit of hissing. So this is something I've noticed some other reviewers mention and some others haven't. So maybe this is a issue with some of their products or a production problem. So I would definitely recommend looking into this a little bit more to make sure this isn't a prevalent problem. Despite these sound problems, they didn't seem to affect me very much, as I don't often listen to my music on max volume, and as this product goes so loud, I found that most of the time I had the volume low enough that I didn't hear these distortion problems. But I think for most of you audiophiles, this is going to be a little bit of a deal breaker, especially if you listen to your music on max volume. But there are some strengths and weaknesses to this product, like all others. For example, it doesn't have wireless charging, which I know to a lot of you will be a deal breaker. But on a plus side, it has an exceptional battery life of around 8 hours with noise cancellation turned on and about 10 with it turned off. Call quality and comfort and touch controls were all very good. It's just this sound issue that let down this product for me and the lack of wireless charging. So I would recommend this product if you can overlook these issues and if you do a little bit of research to make sure there's not too many other people that have this problem also. As always, if you'd like to pick up this product, you can find a link down below. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more videos like this one. And of course, I will see you in the next one.